Hello, good morning here in Bangladesh. Here I come up with a problem that I found in Excel tricks posted by some anonymous person. And what he or she wanted to find is to highlight the given company names within two color codes. One is red and another one is green, based on the credit limit set for each company on the invoice value. So, if the invoice value for a particular company exceeds the credit limit here, then it should be highlighted in red. If the credit limit is or the invoice value is below the credit limit, then it should be highlighted in green. So I try to figure out that what could be a good solution for this, and I will present my solution to you. Uh, I'm sure that this will help the guy to sort out the problem. And if you face similar kinds of problem in your organization, you'll be able to figure this out in this video. Here we go. So I have plotted the company name here, the limits here, and we have the entire data set of the company. Surely you can extend this by adding rows here. But since I was given this screenshot in the posting, so I'm utilizing this here. So let me just bring this number to a comma separated number. Okay, uh, this looks good now. So what I will do, I will write the formula here, then I will copy and paste it in the conditional formatting area to color code the company name, right? So my formula would be sum if, and what I will do first, I will highlight the range here. I will highlight the range here, and then I will highlight the criteria, which could be the company name, and I need to absolute both this range, comma, and the sum range would be the invoice value, right? So here we get the number, right? And we need to check whether this number is greater than the limit here or less than the limit here, right? So absolute. So you can see it should be green, right? And the green should be highlighted here, right? So what I will do, I will copy this function, go to the company name, go to conditional formatting, go to new rule, use a formula to determine which cell to format. I should select this and write my formula here. And let me drag this here and put greater than the limit. So if it is greater than the limit, it should be red, right? Let me just copy this, copy, and press OK. So as you can see, it is marked in red because the entire sum is greater than the limit, right? So what I will do, I will highlight this again and go to new rule, use formula to determine, and then paste this and convert this to less than, right? Then go to format here, go to green, press OK, press OK. So if the limit is like less than, say for instance, if I remove this value, this should be in green, right? So I will do the same thing for the other two companies as well, right? So what I will do, I will highlight this and go to new rule again and use the formula to determine which cell to format. And now instead of C, I should be in column number D, right? So instead of C, I should write D here and let it be like this. So if it is greater than, then it should mark as red. Okay, this is done. Then I will go to conditional formatting again and do the same thing, Control V, D, and it should be less than. No, I haven't changed this to D4. It should be D4, right? It should be green. Okay. Okay, so I forgot to update the first one. Then I need to go to manage rules here and I go to the red one, and instead of C, I should write D, right? Okay, okay, all good. And go to C here. I'll repeat the same thing. Control B instead of C. Now it will be E, and it should be E as well. Be red. Let me just copy this. Okay. Go to new rule with the formula to determine. Then it should be less than, and it should be green. Okay. Okay. Now here you go. You have the amazing conditional formatting in place based on your criteria. So if you ever change the credit limit, say for instance, it's now 8 million, I guess, it's not 8 million. So it should be 8 million instead of 800,000. So it will turn to green, right? So it could be like 5 million, right? If you change this to, I don't know, maybe 8 million, it will turn to green as well. So whenever you use conditional formatting, you try to refer to your criteria cells. So that will provide you the flexibility to play with the numbers if you are referring to a number as criteria. So if it's not a number, if it is something else, try to refer to that one, because it will then help you to play with your criteria, right? So whenever you update your criteria, your entire color coding will change, right? So, okay, here we are. Here we found the solution. I hope this will be helpful not only for the guy who posted this in the Excel tricks group. I think it will be helpful for you as well. So thank you very much for your watching. If you like this, please press the like button in your YouTube in the YouTube channel, and subscribe to my channel if you want to see many more videos in the future. And if you feel like contacting me for any Excel solutions, please drop me an email. I will surely respond to you. Till we meet each other again, take care. Bye. Thank you.